just got ice cream.
Today we are going to be cooking some chocolate pinwheels. So, first ingredient is
pizza crust.
Or it could be some biscuits, refrigerator biscuits. You're also going to need some Nutella.
And flour.
And then you got a pan, of course, some foil.
With foil.
A knife, a spoon.
And a tray.
Okay. So before we start, you got to preheat your oven to 305 degrees Fahrenheit. 350 I meant. Okay, let's just get started.
Opening up the can. Are we scary?
Oh, it doesn't pop yet.
That hurt. I thought I had to twist it and this smacked my finger.
Yeah.
Mmm.
To a world of imagination, of imagination. Now we're spraying some flour. You're gonna want to get your hands covered in flour. Basic chef tip: just cover your hands in flour so the dough won't stick. Okay. Well, I forgot to say, you need to get a roller and roll it up. Roll it up.
Wait, Vincent, I have a life hack for you. Lift up your tray, and your tray won't slide around.
It's a wet washcloth.
Ooh. La la.
And I have another hack. Say that you don't have one of those rollers. You can just use a can. Cover it in plastic. It's my turn to roll the dough. But see that gets sticky and it keeps sticking to this thing. Just add flour on top. And add flour on the bottom. Okay, now it's spread it out. Now it's ready to go.
Time for Nutella. So you're gonna want about 5 to 6 scoops, aka diabetes.
No diabetes.
Okay, I'm starting to spread. If there's not enough, I'll get some more. You don't want to add too much though, because it'll be oozing out as it's cooking.
You want to start rolling it long ways. Make a log. It's getting stuck to the bottom.
Careful.
I know.
I know.
You can also use a butter knife.
Okay, and if you're wondering, sometimes in our videos there's like little baby sounds. It's because of her. She's always shaking around, making baby sounds.
That's Laura.
Newest member to Just Cat Eye Squad.
How's it looking so far? Okay, so you're cutting.
I don't want to waste my time today. It's almost done. You're going to pinch it, roll it up, and then you're going to flop it down.
It's going in now for 10 minutes. Get me, okay?
Coming out. Okay, so we thought it'd be a good idea to sprinkle some Nutella over it. You're going to get a plastic bag, get a scoop of Nutella, and then, so you're going to level it out. Then you're going to finish the tiniest corner.
There's the final product. Careful, the middle could be hot from Nutella.
1, 2, 3.
That's good, you just got the bread part.
That's good. Just joking.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye, Just Cat Eye Squad. We miss you. Hasta luego.